If you're getting too much junk mail and want to clean up your inbox, today I'm going to show you how to configure SpamAssassin from CPanel, step by step. This is a simple way to improve your email filtering, reduce spam, and keep important messages easier to find. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost CPanel account. Once you're inside CPanel, look for the email section. This is where all your email-related tools and settings are located, so take a moment to find it if you're new to the dashboard. Next, click on Spam Filters or Apache SpamAssassin. Depending on your version of CPanel, the wording may be slightly different, but both options take you to the same spam filtering controls. If you see SpamAssassin listed, that's the tool you want to use. Now check whether SpamAssassin is enabled. If it's currently turned off, switch it on first. This is the most important step because the filtering rules won't work until the feature is active. Once enabled, CPanel can start analyzing incoming messages and scoring them based on how likely they are to be spam. After that, open the SpamAssassin settings. This is where you can customize how strict the filter should be and how it handles suspicious emails. If your CPanel version allows it, you may see an option to adjust the spam score threshold. The spam score controls how sensitive the filter is. A lower score can catch more spam, but it may also flag more legitimate emails. A higher score is less aggressive, but it might let more junk through. So if you can change it, choose a setting that fits your inbox needs. Now decide what should happen to messages identified as spam. In many cases, the best choice is to move them into a spam folder instead of deleting them immediately. That way, you can still review the messages later in case something important was filtered by mistake. This gives you a good balance between protection and safety. If you regularly receive email from trusted senders, now is the time to add those addresses to the whitelist. A whitelist tells SpamAssassin to trust certain email addresses or domains, which helps prevent important messages from being marked as spam. This is especially useful for clients, partners, newsletters, or automated services you know are safe. On the other hand, if there are specific senders or domains you never want to hear from, add them to the blacklist. Blacklisting helps block unwanted messages from known spam sources. This is a great way to strengthen your filters and reduce recurring junk mail. Take a moment to review all your settings carefully before saving. Make sure SpamAssassin is turned on, your spam score is set the way you want it, and your whitelist and blacklist entries are correct. Small mistakes here can affect whether emails are delivered properly, so it's always worth double-checking everything. When you're happy with the configuration, click Save Changes. After that, your SpamAssassin setup will be active and working in the background to help filter incoming mail automatically. And that's it. You've now configured SpamAssassin from CPanel. With just a few adjustments, you can make your email inbox much cleaner and easier to manage. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.